Hello, this is Henry Cheng. This is my art of life. 大家好。
Hello all, I would like to share this work with you. The Sea of Clouds, a common subject in traditional Chinese painting, is the main focal point of this work. Here I wrote a poem to enhance the artistic impression.
氣勢萬千橫空嶺，天下文章盡入雲。風流雅意金碧現，流入清興似醉人。呢首詩
The poem depicts the movement of clouds. One moment it looks like mountain ranges laying across the canvas. The next moment, a full page of literary brilliance reveals itself. The elegance and ever-changing imagery of this work intoxicates the audience without the use of alcohol. As a whole, this evokes an enchanted feeling.
希望各位喜歡今日張畫作。
Hope you like it. Thank you.